Welcome to the project GSM and RF based college bell system. Now here we just see the components present here. This particular part is called RPS, the controller part, and this is your GSM modem. In the LCD you can see the title. This is the title, GSM and RF based college bell control system. And if you just see here, this particular part is your RPS controller, crystal oscillator. In this system, we can on our bell using your so-called GSM modem, the through SMS, and also the RF keypad for the battery. Now let's see, like if we send B on from this to this SMS, this particular bell will be on. Okay, and also you can on your bell using this particular RF keypad by this.